Okay. Is this Miss Raissa Kenge?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Miss Kenge, good afternoon, ma'am. This is your first appearance. You have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have an attorney represent you, and if you cannot afford an attorney, I will appoint one to represent you at no cost to you or your family. We are here today to consider whether or not probable cause exists to support your continued detention and what bond will be set, if any. State, what are the warrants? What is the probable cause in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm pulling up the warrants now and apologize. At 1280 Peachtree Street. The charges, the warrants are 3 counts of aggravated of a crime. The warrants read that Ms. Raissa Kenge did make an assault upon 3 victims named Michael Shinners, Wesley Freeman, and Michael Horn, and Zamir Steed with a firearm when she entered the building at 1280 Peachtree Street. And 2 of those victims are deceased and the others are injured.
All right. Fair enough. Mr. Cho, you represent Ms. Kenge?
Your Honor, I have spoken with Ms. Kenge, an advisor of her rights. We appreciate the court reiterating that information. She does not qualify at this moment. I have spoken with Ms. Markowitz about this case several times today already.
To probable cause as indicated by the DA.
Your Honor, I have reviewed the warrants. I've read each and every warrant in Odyssey, which matches the calendar. I don't have any legal arguments at this time.
No objection to the statutory form.
If I may intervene.
Ms. Kenge, please remain silent, ma'am.
All right.
Mr.
Judge,
Cho,
I don't
no
have any
objection to the statutory form?
No objection to the statutory form. Yes, sir.
All right. Fair enough.
Your Honor, he's not my attorney.
Ms. Kenge, you
Yes.
need to remain silent, ma'am.
All right, but he's not my attorney.
Okay. I think he's going to indicate that to you shortly. Ms. Kenge, it appears that you do not qualify for the public defender. You have assets or income that would preclude them from finding you qualified to be represented by the public defender. It is up to you, Ms. Kenge, to hire your own attorney, and I would encourage you to do that as soon as you possibly can. If you delay or stall hiring your own attorney, under Georgia law, it is possible that you could be deemed to have waived your right to an attorney under the case of Longo versus City of Dunwoody. I'll spare you the details on the case, but suffice it to say, Ms. Kenge, if you do not want Mr. Cho or Ms. Markowitz to represent you, then it is up to you to hire your own attorney sooner rather than later, okay, ma'am?
Judge, may I talk?
No, ma'am. You have the right to remain silent. I would encourage you to use it. We are recording these proceedings.
Yes.
and anything you say can be used against you, and the DA is right here paying attention with us, okay?
Yes, and I would still like to talk and clarify the information provided by Mr. Chill. I have not
Okay.
had a chance to talk to Mr. Chill this morning about the very case and about the facts of the case. Now, Mr. Chill informed me that I did not qualify. I am not sure what he based his assertion on, right? Now, I do not have...
Ms. Kingman?
Yes.
I appreciate your position, ma'am, and I'm glad you're thinking about these issues. But as far as their impact on today's proceedings, they're not going to have an... I am precluded from setting bond for you per the court's delegation order. And so I'm going to deny bond. Your case will be heard at a later date before a different judge, either with Mr. Cho or a different attorney. You will have a great deal to say about whether or not it's Mr. Cho or a different attorney. But as far as my jurisdiction and authority to consider bond today, in light of the top count of murder, I am precluded by our delegation order from setting bond for you. So you are going to be no bonded for today. I encourage you to hire another attorney or get Mr. Cho and Ms. Markowitz will be following back up with you. And that will be the order today. Ms. King-May, you are free to go.
May I ask...
All right, so that suspect there accused of killing 2 people and injuring another person in the shootings that happened yesterday afternoon in Midtown Atlanta. You're watching Live Now from Fox, everyone. We appreciate you joining us here.